Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. We from Group 5 will present the results of our discussion regarding engineering projects and ideas with the title Characteristic of Sirikalang City as a Coffee Producer. Sirikalang City is the capital of Daerah Regency, North Sumatra, which is known as one of the 5 largest coffee producing centers in Indonesia. The Sirikalang coffee plantation area is an altitude of 1,500 meters above sea level in the Bukit Barisan mountain area. The coffee produced from Daerah Regency is Robusta and Arabica coffee, with Sirikalang Robusta coffee known for having low acidity levels. Based on the background above, the problem formulation to be studied is: what is the history of development of coffee industry in Sirikalang City? What natural factors support the growth of coffee in Sirikalang City? What is the role of the community in developing the coffee industry in Sirikalang City? What are the advantages and potential of Sirikalang coffee compared to other coffee centers in Indonesia? What are the prospects for the coffee industry in Sirikalang City in the future? Next, research objective. The objectives of this research are: first, to identify the characteristics of the development of the coffee industry in Sirikalang City, to analyze the potential problems of Sirikalang City as the largest coffee supplier in Indonesia, and to provide recommendation and solution that the state can provide for Sirikalang City as the largest coffee producing center in Indonesia. Benefit of research. The benefits of this research are: first, exploring the potential of Sirikalang coffee, which comes for Sirikalang, highlighting the importance of Sirikalang coffees in maintaining the glory and development of coffee plantation in Daerah Regency, provide learning experience and events to develop coffee production in Daerah Regency, analyze the influence of land area, labor, fertilizer, and plant age on Arabica coffee production in Sirikalang district, become a basic for evaluating government policy regarding Arabica coffee plantation in Sirikalang district, providing information about world-class coffee production in Indonesia, especially Robusta and Arabica coffee. Okay, the literature section will be read by Ramat Andre Samuel Purba.
Literature Review 2.1 Definition of Plantation. Plantation is any activity that cultivates certain plants on land and or other growing media in suitable ecosystem. Process and market the result of these plants. Plantation often employ monoculture cultivation methods and can include cash industrial crops such as coconut, tea, and oil palm, as well as horticultural crops such as bananas, grapes, and orchid. Plantations are also related to the history of colonization or colonialism and the formation of a country, including Indonesia. 2.2 Characteristic of Srikalang City as the largest coffee producing center in Indonesia. Srikalang City has the characteristic of being the mother of coffee or the largest coffee producing center. This characteristic can be seen from several aspects such as history, geographic, social, economic, and environmental. 2.2.1 History. The government in Dairi was adopted before Dutch colonialism but was not yet known as an autonomous region. However, the presence of a government at that time could be felt by the people with the recognition of the traditional kings. The government at that time was controlled by Raja Ekuton and Pertaki as traditional kings and also as the head of government. The government organizational structure is described as follows. 1. Raja Ekuten. As the leader of one region or which consists of several. Raja Ekuten is also called Takal Aur, who is the head of the state. 2. Pertaki. As the leader of a village one level below the king of Ekuten. 3. Sulang Silima. As a Pertaki assistant in each kuta, consistent, consistent of 1. Perisang-isang, 2. Surveyors, 3. Middle Pertulan, 4. Perpuncan Diadep, 5. Perbetekan. Sirikalang district is one the sub district is Dairi Regency, North Sumatra, Indonesia. Sirikalang city is also the capital of district. The Regency is the result of the territorial division of Tangkas Regency, with the Dairi area being very large and once prosperous in the past. The Dairi region is divided into five regions, namely 1. Suak or Simsim, covering the areas of Salak Kingdom, si empat Rube, si tela tali urang Jehe, si telu tali urang Julu, and Manik. 2. Suak or Bagagan and Kampung Karo, covering the areas of Silalai, Paropo, Tongging, Gagan Jehe, and Tanah Pinem. 3. Suak or Kepas, covering the Sitelu Nempu, Silima Pungga Pungga, Leluhung, and Parbulan areas. 4. Suak or Buang, covering the areas of Simpang Kanan, Simpang Kiri, Lipat Kajang, Belegan, Wef, Rending, and Singkil, currently Aceh region. 5. Suak or Klasen, covering the Sinem Koden, Manduamas, and Barspe areas. Sirikala City is considered the largest coffee producing center in Indonesia. Coffee is produced from Robusta and Arabica varieties, with Sirikala Robusta coffee being known to have high caffeine content, reaching 70 for 80%. Sirikalang City has developed and become the largest coffee producing and center in Indonesia, as well as center for trade and education in their regency.
Geographical. Sidikalang City is located in Dairi Regency, North Sumatra, Indonesia, based on the Sorkes Pond. Here is some information regarding the geography of Sidikalang City. Sidikalang City is the capital of Dairi Regency, is located at an altitude of 1.066 meter above sea level. The area of Sidikalang district is 70.67 km quadrat with a population of 54,528 people and a density of 771.58 people kilometer quadrat. Geographical, Sidikalang is in the northwest of North Sumatra province with an area of around 191.625 ha or around 2.67% of the total area of North Sumatra province. Sidikalang topography consists of mountains and hills with varying slopes. Sidikalang City is a center of trade, education, healthy, and other public service of residents in Dairi Regency. Economy. Sidikalang City, as the capital of Dairi Regency, has an economic sector that is supported by various activities. Based on the sources we found, the agricultural sector is the main support for the economy in Sidikalang, with coffee as a leading commodity which has become the regional mascot. Apart from agriculture. The third, tourism and industrial sector also support the economy in Sidikalang. Sidikalang tourism is famous for the Faith Tourism Park, which is famous outside the region and even abroad. Apart from that, there is also the industrial sector, which also influence people life in Sidikalang. From the Circus Fund, there was a regional economy analysis discussion held by KPPN Sidikalang, which showed that there was attention to economy analysis in the area. Geographically, Sidikalang is located in the Bukit Barisan Plateau, which provides potential for the agricultural sector, especially in coffee production. Apart from that, the extension of the Imam Tourism Park is also a tourism attraction that has the potential of support the regional economy. The next to read by my friend Diana Octavia.
Okay, I will read environment. Sidikalang City is the capital of Dairi Regency and has facilities that are the center of trade, education, health, and other public service for residents of Dairi Regency. The environment in Sidikalang is of high concern, so the Sidikalang District Crown Education convey various policies and programs aimed at improving the quality of the environment. The Dairi Environmental Service invites the community to cooperate and to maintain cleanliness is a program run by Environmental Service Cleaning Officer to maintain cleanliness around Sidikalang City and Sidikalang District. This program aims to maintain community welfare and healthy living environment. Sidikalang City is the largest coffee producing center in Indonesia, and the agricultural sector, especially coffee production, is the backbone of the economy in Sidikalang. Apart from that, the trade, tourism, and industrial sector also play a role in the regional economy. And now, Chapter 3, Method. The method used in writing this literature is a narrative literature review, where this method is a type of literature research that aims to evaluate, identify, analyze, and summarize previously published literature and compare it with exciting data from various relevant literature sources and in accordance with the research topic. The topic discussed was the characteristic of Sidikalang City as a coffee production and plantation center in Dairi Regency. The next will reading by my friend Sandriani Zega.
Okay, my friend question, based on the result of the literature review that we have summarized, it can be concluded the Sidikalang City is one of the best and leading coffee product area in Indonesia. These characteristics have become iconic for anyone who visit and city. Sidikalang City is also known for this characteristic, supported by several aspects such as disease story, economy, geography, location, and environment. Sidikalang City has enormous potential in the development and utilizing coffee in the plantation and industrial sector so that it can compete of the national and international stage. However, with several problems in the area, this is how the resident and the government can manage the natural resource and area available in Sidikalang City so they can be utilized as best as possible. Sri Lanka City also need to receive more attention from the local government and Indonesia government regarding the city potential to be able to compete in the red sector because many products can be made from coffee and can advise the area and its people. Okay, thank you.
That's all our presentation for today. I apologize for any typos. Thank you so much.